Welcome to Just Like Candy Paint. Today I'm going to show y'all how to fix some scratches. First thing first, we're going to go ahead and get some masking tape. We're going to tape off the area that we working with. Then after that, we're going to sand it the whole section. We're going to sand the whole area with 1000. And then after we sand it with 1000, then we'll come back with a maybe like 320, 180 or 320, and we'll probably sand just the scratches, and then we'll use a filler. Then we're gonna sand the filler down, and put some primer on it, and then we'll dust paint it. So let's get into it. Okay, we got it taped off. This is the area that we're gonna be working with. We're only gonna put paint right in this little area. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sand this down so we can get ready to prime it. And we're using 320 to sand it. Okay, we're gonna get ready to prime it. Before we prime it, in the area that we want the primer, we're gonna use some plastic promotion adhesion. Make everything stick better. Let's put a little bit of this on. Okay. Now let's get the primer on. Just want to do light coats. Don't try to cover it all at once, because the paint will run and all of that. So you just want to do light coats at a time. And after that dry, we'll probably wait 20 minutes. We'll come back and wet sand that down, make it smooth. And then all of this that we already sanded, the clear gonna go there. That's why we did 1000. And then this little area right here will be sanded with 320. Or you can do wet sand 500. It's so many different ways of doing it. I mean, if you dry sand, you can get away with 320, but I'll probably wet sand it with 500 or 600. Just even coats. Don't try to wet it on. Just like that, you know, wait 5 minutes. I put 2 on already. I'll put 1 more, then let it dry for 30 minutes. And after that, it'll be time to paint, which we're gonna use spray can to paint it. Everything I'm doing, you could do at home right in your driveway. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to sand this. That way we can go ahead and paint it. And I decided to go ahead and sand it with 1000, because if I use 600, it'll probably take most of the primer off. And I'm not trying to do all that. I need to get this painted so it can go ahead and lay the jacket. Paint will stick just fine to the 1000. All right, we're ready to go ahead and paint. Let's go ahead and put some adhesion promoter on the plastic. Spray it on just like you was painting. paint on, light coat, back and forth, back and forth. You don't want to keep going because it'll run or mess up. You just want to do this. Since it's silver, it probably take 3. That's one, probably take 2 more. All right, let's put 2 coats of clear on it. We'll be done with it. Okay, we got the clear on there. Let this dry. We take the paper off. Customer come pick it up. That's how you fix scratches. If you really want to do this on your own car, all you got to do is email me and I'll walk you through what you need to do.